Starting up Glendora Mountain Road. It's a lovely day. Low 60s right now. And it'll change. Now, this is the bottom of Lower Monroe Truck Trail. Comes out right here. Great mountain bike trail. Used to go to an old mine. Big Dalton there, the dam. Good place to start mountain biking. And Glendora Mountain Road, GMR, if you're into the brevity thing, is right below me. A couple of switchbacks over there. And you can see cars and motorcycles coming up over there. Taking a much needed break, a third of the way up. Halfway up Glendora Mountain Road, and it doesn't get any easier. It was a hard climb years ago. It's still hard, but you can see that's Lower Monroe Truck Trail. Great mountain bike ride, sort of the dirt version of GMR. Some of my friends have recently taken that up as one of their favorite rides. Certainly is one of mine. And our goal is that way. Not going to get all the way to Baldy. Not even close. But we'll press on. That's Santiago Peak. Highest point in Orange County. We'll get back to you later. Another nice view of San Gabriel Dam and Highway 39. About 2/3 of the way up Glendora Mountain Road. Oh, another great view from Glendora Mountain Road looking at San Gabriel Reservoir. Pretty full. And the Highway 39 running parallel to it on the west side. Well, there's no shortage of great views. You got to work to get them, though. Okay, a decision's been made. I don't want to do the rest of that climb to the false summit. So I'm going to use the discretion, my agency, and turn around. Coast down this hill. It was a great idea. A little early.